12 powerful benefits of eating cloves daily that nobody tells you. Are you ready to take your spice rack to the next level? Then watch this video. We all know the kitchen essentials like garlic powder and cayenne for that spicy kick, and turmeric for those fabulous anti-inflammation lattes. But next time, consider adding a new spice to your setup: cloves. Now, cloves might not be your go-to ingredient for everyday cooking, but trust me, they're about to become your flavor-packed best friend. These tiny flower buds hail from the tropical paradise of Indonesia and have been stealing the show in Indian, Thai, and Indonesian cuisines for centuries. And guess what? They're not just for cooking. These little powerhouses have been hailed in traditional medicine for ages, thanks to their mind-boggling range of health benefits. We're talking about reducing inflammation, fighting those pesky headaches, boosting hair health, improving respiratory wellness, regulating blood sugar levels, and so much more. You don't want to miss even a single second of this exciting video. So watch until the end as we unveil 12 secret benefits of this extraordinary spice. Cloves are about to become your new favorite kitchen companion. Now, do you know that cloves help with breathing difficulties? Number 12. Enhancing respiratory health. This aromatic oil is known for its beneficial effects on the respiratory tract, particularly in the treatment of asthma. Its soothing properties help alleviate respiratory discomfort, while its anti-inflammatory effects further contribute to respiratory health. Research studies have demonstrated that supplementation with clove oil can effectively inhibit the formation of bacterial colonies in the lungs, offering potential protective benefits. So, breathe easier and embrace the natural support that cloves offer your respiratory system. If you take cloves more often, your organs will regularly send you a thank you message. Number 11. It boosts liver health. The compounds present in cloves can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in liver cells, effectively combating inflammation-related damage and degradation. Research has specifically examined the effects of cloves on liver cells affected by binge drinking, revealing its potential to alleviate inflammation and oxidative stress caused by excessive alcohol consumption. The antioxidants present in cloves play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and supporting liver health. However, while cloves offer potential benefits for the liver, excessive consumption can have adverse effects and lead to liver damage. Moderation is key to ensuring the safe and beneficial use of cloves for liver health. When it comes to antioxidants, we often think of relishing dark chocolate or berries, or savoring a glass of red wine. But that's not all there is to antioxidants. Number 10. They are rich in antioxidants. You might be surprised to learn that herbs and spices reign supreme as one of the richest sources of these antioxidants. In fact, a fascinating analysis of the top 10 food sources abundant in polyphenols and antioxidants revealed that seasonings claimed the most entries, with clove taking the coveted number 1 spot, with a staggering antioxidant concentration surpassing that of blueberries by over 30 times. Cloves truly stand out. Antioxidants play a crucial role in combating the damaging effects of free radicals, which can harm cells and make them more susceptible to neurodegenerative disorders, chronic diseases, and visible signs of aging. Numerous studies have highlighted the impressive antioxidant properties of clove extract, demonstrating its ability to impede tumor growth and facilitate cell death. What is your go-to source of antioxidants? Are you a fan of refreshing green tea? Or do you love the vibrant goodness of blueberries? Share your favorite antioxidant powerhouse with us in the comments section below. Cloves also contain a compound, eugenol, that gives them some superpowers. Number 9. It reduces inflammation. Inflammation doesn't stand a chance against the mighty cloves. These small wonders boast a potent compound known as eugenol, which serves as a formidable anti-inflammatory agent. But that's not all. Clove essential oil, a popular form of cloves, carries the same impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Notably, it has been found to combat inflammation of the mouth and throat. In a fascinating study, clove oil showcased its prowess by alleviating inflammation linked to plaque buildup and gingivitis. Thanks to eugenol, cloves have the ability to lower the levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines, making them a valuable asset in the treatment of inflammation associated with conditions such as arthritis. So next time you're in need of a natural inflammation fighter, get some cloves. Now for those a little sore in the stomach, you really need to try out cloves. Number 8. Relief from ulcers. Say goodbye to the discomfort of stomach ulcers, also known as peptic ulcers, with the incredible power of cloves. These painful sores that develop in the stomach and esophageal lining can be caused by various factors such as stress, infection, and genetics, which weaken the protective barrier of the stomach. Fortunately, researchers suggest that cloves hold the promising potential in the treatment of stomach ulcers. In a notable study, the essential oil delivered from cloves was found to stimulate the production of gastric mucus. This essential mucus acts as a protective barrier, shielding the stomach lining from the erosive effects of digestive acids. Furthermore, another study highlighted the therapeutic effects of clove extract in the treatment of stomach ulcers, exhibiting results similar to those of several anti-ulcer medications. The compounds found in cloves can aid the healing process and provide relief from the discomfort of stomach ulcers. With the remarkable properties of cloves, you can combat stomach ulcers naturally and effectively. Not only do stomach ulcers benefit from cloves, but harmful bacteria also. Number 7. It prevents food poisoning. When it comes to keeping harmful bacteria at bay, clove oil, specifically its active compound eugenol, outshines chemical preservatives like potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate. Not only does it possess strong antimicrobial properties, but it also boasts safety and a delightful aroma, making it a worthy alternative food preservative. Studies have shown that clove oil has significant antibacterial effects against common foodborne bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli. It has also been found to suppress the growth of Listeria, another notorious bacterium responsible for causing foodborne illness. This suggests that clove oil could be a valuable ally in protecting against food poisoning and ensuring the safety of your meals. With its natural antimicrobial powers, clove oil offers a reliable and safe means of safeguarding your food from harmful bacteria. Unlock the secret to luscious locks with the power of clove bud oil. Number 6. Healthier hair. The remarkable oil possesses antifungal, antiseptic, and anesthetic properties, making it a natural ally for scalp care. When combined with nourishing oils like olive oil or coconut oil, it can effectively address common scalp disorders such as dandruff and dermatitis. By improving scalp circulation, the antioxidants found in cloves stimulate the growth of fresh, healthier hair. Additionally, the eugenol contents in cloves revitalizes and enriches your hair's natural color, giving it a rejuvenated appearance. The natural properties of cloves make them a go-to ingredient in hair care products like conditioners, shampoos, and coloring agents. These gentle yet effective cleansing abilities help keep your hair and scalp clean and refreshed. Now this is a shocker. Number 5. Cloves can protect your body against cancer. Bet you never saw that coming. Cloves contain compounds known as phenols, which have been found to inhibit tumor growth and prevent the spread of cancer cells to other parts of the body. Notably, a study discovered that individuals who consumed a substantial amount of cloves had lower risk of bladder cancer compared to those who either rarely consumed cloves or didn't consume them at all. However, it's important to note this study focused on individuals who consistently consumed large quantities of cloves over an extended period. It remains unclear whether sporadic consumption of cloves would have a similar preventative effect on bladder cancer. Also, laboratory tests conducted on human cells revealed that eugenol, a compound found in cloves, could reduce the growth of esophageal cancer cells by up to 50%. However, the impact of eugenol on esophageal cancer risk in humans and the required dosage of eugenol through the consumption of cloves or clove tea for this effect are still uncertain. More extensive research is necessary before any definitive conclusions can be drawn regarding the potential for eugenol in reducing the risk of esophageal cancer. The more cloves you take, the better your dental. Number 4. Better oral health. The presence of eugenol in cloves is believed to provide relief from toothaches. With its anesthetic and antibacterial properties, eugenol can help alleviate the pain associated with dental issues. Scientific research has demonstrated the analgesic effects of cloves in relieving toothaches. Similarly, cloves have shown promise in combating bad breath and addressing periodontal disease. When applied to the teeth of individuals with periodontal disease, cloves reduced inflammation and bleeding by up to 50%, while also controlling the growth of bacteria in the mouth. In fact, cloves can serve as an alternative to fluoride or chlorhexidine commonly found in mouthwash. One study even found that clove oil was as effective as 1% chlorhexidine solution in reducing plaque and gingivitis. Number 3. Cloves are not just a flavorful spice, they also pack a nutritional punch. These little powerhouses are abundant in the essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Rich in vitamins A and C, cloves contribute to a healthy immune system and promote vibrant skin. They serve as an excellent source of iron, a vital mineral responsible for oxygen transportation in the body's cells. With sufficient iron levels, you can enjoy deeper breaths during exercise and improved energy levels. They are also a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining a feeling of fullness and supports digestive health. If you're aiming to increase your fiber intake or combat constipation, incorporating cloves into your diet can be beneficial. Notably, cloves have no cholesterol or sodium content, making them a safe and nutritious option for individuals with high cholesterol or hypertension. Furthermore, cloves provide a generous dose of manganese, a mineral that plays various roles in our body's functions. Manganese contributes to energy production from carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, while also assisting in the absorption of calcium for strong bones. It supports nerve and brain function, as well as aids in the regulation of mood by facilitating dopamine production. By adding cloves to your culinary repertoire, you not only enhance the flavor of your dishes, but also infuse your meals with a range of important nutrients. Number 2. Regulating blood sugar. When it comes to regulating blood sugar, cloves prove to be a valuable ally. In cases of diabetes where pancreatic cells responsible for insulin production are weakened, cloves play a role in maintaining optimal insulin levels and supporting glucose response mechanisms. Research indicates that polyphenols and extracts found in cloves, particularly clove oil, exert their blood sugar regulating effects through 3 distinct pathways. Firstly, cloves aid in the absorption of glucose by the digestive tract, leading to a remarkable 63% increase in absorption. This, in turn, helps lower glucose levels in the bloodstream. Secondly, cloves inhibit the production of glucose in liver cells, further contributing to blood sugar control. Lastly, cloves slow down the activity of the digestive enzymes responsible for breaking down complex carbohydrates and sucrose into glucose. By doing so, cloves effectively regulate blood sugar levels following meals, reduce fasting glucose levels, and promoting increased glucose consumption by the body. Cloves are useful in the world of aromatherapy and not just in diabetes. Number 1. It cures pesky headaches. In the world of aromatherapy, clove oil is widely utilized to alleviate headaches. The credit goes to eugenol, a component of clove oil known for its pain-relieving properties. To harness the benefits, simply crush a few cloves and place them in a clean handkerchief. Inhale the aroma whenever a headache strikes, allowing the soothing scent to provide relief. Alternatively, you can create a headache-relieving blend by adding 2 drops of clove oil to a teaspoon of coconut oil. Gently massage this mixture onto your forehead and temples for a relaxing and comforting sensation. Embrace the natural power of clove oil and bid farewell to those nagging headaches. Now, you might be thinking, how do I add cloves to my daily diet? Do I just chew on them? Do I blend? Don't worry, I'll give you some pointers. While whole and ground cloves are available options, here are a few other cool ways to enjoy your cloves. 1. You can make clove tea. Grind a tablespoon of whole cloves and steep the powder in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Then strain the tea to enjoy a rich and spicy beverage, perfect for colder months. 2. You can enhance various recipes with cloves. For example, add ground cloves to your pumpkin pie and chai lattes for a flavorful twist. Use whole cloves in pickling mixes for spicy pickles or as a key ingredient in curries. Sprinkle cloves in mulled wine or incorporate them in meat rubs for added depth of flavor. 3. To relieve toothache with cloves, place a few whole cloves in your mouth, moistening them with saliva. Gently crush the cloves with your teeth to release the oil and alleviate tooth pain. Keep a clove in your mouth for approximately 30 minutes before replacing it with a fresh one. Alternatively, use crushed cloves and apply the powder directly to the affected tooth. 4. To harness the respiratory benefits of clove oil, massage some clove oil onto your chest, sinuses, and the bridge of your nose to open up the airways. Add clove oil to warm water or steep cloves to make a soothing respiratory tea. Chewing on a clove bud can help ease throat irritation and provide relief for a sore throat. When selecting and storing cloves, opt for whole cloves instead of powdered ones, as they retain their flavor longer. Also, check the quality of the cloves by squeezing them. Good quality cloves release some oil when squeezed. Alternatively, test the freshness by placing a clove in a cup of water. Fresh cloves will float vertically. Incorporating cloves into your daily routine through various methods allows you to enjoy their culinary and medical benefits for enhanced well-being. So next time you reach for your spice rack or visit the grocery store, consider adding some cloves to your shopping list. Remember, when it comes to your health, nature has provided us with a treasure trove of remedies, and cloves are undoubtedly a shining star in that collection. Embrace the power of cloves and experience the difference they can make in your life. Thank you for being so patient up to this point. It is greatly appreciated. Subscribe and enable alerts to avoid missing out on future videos from us and much more. Check out this video to learn more about how to care for your body, and we'll see you in the following video. Stay safe